The question today is about capacitance. The figure below shows part of a circuit containing two capacitors C1 and C2. So we have the diagram. If C1 is 2 microfarads and the potential difference across PQ is 150 volts, while the total charge in the capacitors is 1.8 times 10 power negative 4 coulombs, determine the capacitance of C2. The first thing is to determine the effective capacitance. Remember, the two capacitors are arranged in series, so we calculate the total capacitance as follows. We'll have C1 times C2 over C1 plus C2. And because C1 is given as 2 microfarads, we will do the substitution. We'll have 2 microfarads times C2 microfarads all over C1 is 2 microfarads plus C2. Both are in microfarads. So we can have this and that cancelling. And this simplifies further to twice C2 over 2 plus C2 microfarads. Micro means 1 over a million, so that is 10 power negative 6. So this is twice C2 over 2 plus C2 times 10 power negative 6 farads. Now with the effective capacitance, we'll proceed on as follows. The total charge stored is equal to the total capacitance times the total voltage. Total charge in the capacitors were given us 1.8 times 10 power negative 4. So we have it on the left hand side. That should be equal to the total capacitance, that is twice C2 over 2 plus C2 times 10 power negative 6, and then we multiply by the voltage across PQ. So voltage across PQ is the voltage across the two capacitors, so we have it as 150 volts. So times 150. From this equation we can determine C2. Now we'll multiply both sides of the equation by 2 plus C2. Now these two will cancel, and therefore, to make this simple, I want to divide both sides by 10 power negative 6. So this is 10 power negative 6. Here also divide by 10 power negative 6. So this and this go, so that when we rewrite this, we'll have 2 plus C2 times 1.8 times 10 power. So we'll have negative 4 minus negative 6, applying the laws of indices. So that is times 1.8 times 10 power 2. Negative 4 minus minus 6, that is negative 4 plus 6, and that is 2. And then on the right hand side, we have 2 times 150, that is 300 C2. 1.8 times 10 squared, that is 1.8 times 100, which is 180. So for simplicity again, let's have this 2 plus C2 times 180. And then on the right hand side, we have 300 C2. Opening the brackets here, we'll have 360 plus 180 C2. And then on the right hand side, we have 300 C2. 180 crosses, and we'll have here we'll have 360 is equal to 120 C2. Now C2 becomes, dividing both sides by 120, is 3 microfarads. And this is how we go about this question. Thank you for watching. See you next time.